Yo, what is going on, everybody? This is a weird start to a video, but we are going to parallel park, and I've never parallel parked, and we are in the E36 M3, and it has a manual transmission. We're going to find the place right now, so hopefully we can do that. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. I will probably get some shots of driving, and then I'll probably fail trying to parallel park, but we'll see. Because it is going to be harder in a manual. I haven't even tried it in a regular car, so.
It's not too bad, second try.
Yeah.
I would.
So far, it hasn't been that bad, right?
No,
yeah.
Doing good.
See, yeah. I've done it twice in a row on my second try. And now we're gonna do it inside the car to see me freak out.
So concentrate, you can tell the audience.
Yeah, here, give me the camera. Look, somebody's cats were stolen. Isn't that pretty crazy?
No, like, is that something
that would have been today, because, I mean, unless that car's been sitting there.
Yeah, it might have just been sitting there.
Hasn't been happening for a while. Yeah, they can't really see that.
Good, I'm back up.
That's pretty good. What do y'all think, man? That's for the first time ever.
Manual?
This is really his first time ever too.
Yeah, so, I've never parallel parked.
That's pretty amazing, actually. Good job.
I know. It's really not late, it's just dark.